Hi, welcome to another robot tutorial video. Hi, this is just a quick tutorial to show you some of the new features inside the generative AI tools available inside Photoshop you may not know about or didn't realise existed until the new version came out. So this is a photograph I took in Florina in Greece. Nice photograph, nice building. Only problem is it gets a little bit distracted with all those cables passing across it. Now what you can do inside the new AI function is to go to the tool, which is this one here. This is a new tool, and you'll see it's got a little thing here saying find distractions. Now if you click on there and you'll see there's two options, basically wires and cables and people. So if I select this one now, it'll do its work. And what you find is it's removed all the cables, and you'll notice even the ones on the wall, etc. Everything that's a cable has been removed. Now you may want to keep some of those, so what you'll notice is it is the destructive function, which means it basically alters the photograph that you have. So let's just undo that. What you can do, let's just say for instance we only want to remove the ones that are actually crossing the building, like so. We want to keep those on that pole for instance, and we want to keep the ones on a distant pole. Okay, so we'll do the same thing again. Click on that, wire and cable, let it do its job. And it's only basically taking out the cables on the bit you selected, which is what it should do. That's what the Marquee tool is for. Okay, so that's that done. Now you notice and you remember there was a second option, people. Now I haven't got people in this picture, so I'm going to go to another picture I've got. This is a picture I took inside Iceland at one of the famous waterfalls, and you'll notice we've got a nice picture of us as a group, but we've got some people stuck in the background. Okay, and you'll notice there's a few people. Let's just say for instance we want to get rid of those just to make it look a little bit more cozy and just about us as a group. Okay, you just go to the edit again and press people, let it do its job. What it's going to do is look through the photograph, and you'll notice it's selected this group of people here, and also some pink up here, and leaving a little bit of pink there. So what you do then is, once you're happy with that, is you just press the tick button. It'll do the work or the magic, and it has removed the people, even in the background. So that makes it a little bit more nice, and it's got a really good quality actually of the stone in the background. If you remember, yeah, that's what it used to look like. So that's quite a nice effect it's done. Okay, so that's the two little tools inside the new remove tool inside Photoshop latest version. Okay. Thank you for watching the video, and please consider subscribing to my channel, and also press the notification bell so you're aware of when a new video has been uploaded. If you like the video, consider pressing the thumbs up icon, as well as possibly leaving a comment to tell me what you think. Also consider sharing the video on these sites, as well as follow me on these social media channels. Thank you again for watching.